Why are people actually loving their bank? It sounds like a ridiculous question, but for millions of customers, the answer is Monzo. This UK-based digital bank, famous for its distinctive hot coral cards, has long been a poster child for rapid growth, but now they've officially achieved something even more significant: sustained, staggering financial success. Let's dive into the numbers from their latest financial results, because they tell a story not just of survival, but of a digital banking powerhouse arriving. For years, the big question mark over challenger banks was profitability. Well, Monzo has smashed that doubt. They've reported adjusted pre-tax profits surging to over £113 million, an eightfold increase in just 1 year. This isn't a fluke, it's their second consecutive year in the black, confirming their business model works at scale. So, how are they doing it? First, explosive customer growth. Monzo added an incredible 2.4 million new customers in the last financial year, bringing their total base to over 12 million. That makes them one of the largest retail banks in the UK by customer numbers. Crucially, 2/3 of this growth comes from word-of-mouth referrals. People aren't joining because of expensive ads, they're joining because their friends love it. Second, a huge leap in revenue. Their total revenue climbed an impressive 48% to £1.2 billion. This is driven by three main areas: a healthy lending business through products like their Flex Buy Now, Pay Later card, income from transactions, and, increasingly, their paid subscription services. Over 1 million personal customers now have a paid plan, with that subscription income jumping by 50%. This creates a stable, predictable revenue stream that traditional banks rely on. Third, customer deposits are skyrocketing. The total value of customer deposits with Monzo is now an astronomical £16.6 billion, up 48% year-on-year. This shows customers are no longer just using Monzo as a spending card, they are trusting it with their life savings and salaries, making it their primary bank. Monzo's success boils down to building a bank that customers genuinely engage with, as evidenced by their market-leading Net Promoter Score of +70. They're making money feel different, combining award-winning user experience with sophisticated financial products like pensions and instant access savings that are now paying out hundreds of millions in interest. This latest report firmly cements Monzo's position. They're no longer just a startup challenger, they are a major player fundamentally reshaping the banking landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.